Another advanced principle that we utilize, again with the use of a training partner, unless you're going to really start swinging on his movements, is using forced repetitions. So when you or your training partners reach absolute failure, you'll have that assistance just ever so slightly, just to keep the movement moving, where it would usually come to a standstill because you've reached failure. So we're allowing us to go through a failure point again to break these plateaus. Okay, great. Let's go, Mr. Caleb. Okay, perfect, awesome. Okay, now when he starts reaching failure, he's obviously not going to be able to move that again without his form slackening and swinging that muscle, so that bicep disengages because he's using his back. So the idea is, once he's reached failure, I'm going to allow some forced repetitions just to allow Dr. Caleb to continue through the exercise. And you generally add maybe about 4 or 5 forced repetitions, and that would be it. If you're doing any more than that, you're probably doing all the exercise for him. Perfect. Thank you, sir. He usually reaches failure with 20 pounds.
He gave me the heavy ones. I told him to get the little ones.
Thank you, sir.